when my uncle died and I was left alone, took me into what they called a children's home. And there was a group of children my age, older, and they were all, you can say, refugees that came from the shtetl or from Eastern Europe, who lost their relatives. It was officially a Polish children's home because we were not native Russians. We were classified as Polish refugees. We were under the jurisdiction, I believe, of the Russian people. The Russian language was spoken, not Polish. The facilities in the children's home was a big one-story building with cement floor. Mattresses were lined up one after the other in a row. Mattresses. The facilities were outside of the building. The water was outside of the building. What would happen was that during the daytime, if the mattresses were dry, they would pile up one mattress on top of the other, and they would put up tables for breakfast, lunch, or whatever. It was served as a bedroom and as a dining room. And if the mattresses would be soiled, they would take it outside to dry, and then at night bring it back in, so we would have a place to sleep. The mattresses were made out of straw, maybe cotton or whatever, but it was not a spring mattress, and the mattresses were on the floor. You would never sleep in the same place. The people who were running the children's home, they were very strict, and they would slap you and hit you. Let's put it this way, some people survived. A lot of the children whom you saw today, you would not see tomorrow. You would know that somebody disappeared or died or whatever. In comparison to what was going on in the concentration camp, that was good.